students and faculty of Walla Walla High School, friends, guests, and honored veterans, welcome to the 2020 Walla Walla High School Veterans Day Assembly. My name is Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Ramon Lopez Gutierrez, and it will be my honor to host all of our online guests. Please welcome ASB President Jaden Bergevin for a welcome from the Walla Walla High School Associated Student Body.
Hello everybody and welcome to the Veterans Day Assembly. My name is Jaden Bergevin and I am WAHI's ASB President. I wanted to thank you all so much for being here today. JROTC has worked extremely hard and has done an incredible job of putting together this assembly for you all. So with that said, thank you so much and I hope you enjoy.
Ladies and gentlemen, please stand as the Walla Walla High School ROTC Color Guard presents our national colors and the national anthem performed by Walla Walla High School choir singers, Cadet Sergeant Caden Kerr and Cadet Sergeant Raquel Justice.
Halt. Sir, the colors are present.
Post the colors.
Forward, march. Detail, halt. Dismount, colors. Ready, step. Ready, post. Ready, step. Present, arms.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets' red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
The flag folding ceremony described by the uniformed services is a dramatic and uplifting way to honor the flag on special days like Memorial Day or Veterans Day, and is sometimes used at retirement ceremonies. The flag folding ceremony represents the principles on which our country was originally founded. The portion of the flag denoting honor is the canton of blue, containing the stars representing the states our veterans served in uniform. The canton field of blue dresses from left to right and is inverted when draped as a pall on the casket of a veteran who has served our country in uniform. The first fold of our flag is a symbol of life. The second fold is a symbol of our belief in the eternal life. The third fold is made in honor and remembrance of the veteran departing our ranks who gave a portion of life for the defense of our country to attain a peace throughout the world. The fourth fold represents our weaker nature, for as American citizens, we turn in times of peace as well as in times of war for guidance. The fifth fold is a tribute to our country, for in the words of Stephen Decatur, our country, in dealing with other countries, may she always be right, but it is still our country, right or wrong. The sixth fold is for where our hearts lie. It is with our heart that we pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands. The seventh fold is a tribute to our armed forces, for it is through the armed forces that we protect our country and our flag against all her enemies. The eighth fold is a tribute to the one who entered into the valley of the shadow of death that we might see the light of day. The ninth fold is a tribute to womanhood, for it has been through their love, loyalty, and devotion that the character of the men and women who have made this country great have been molded. The 10th fold is a tribute to the fathers that have given his sons and daughters for the defense of our country. When the flag is completely folded, the stars are uppermost, reminding us of our national motto. After the flag is completely folded and tucked in, it takes on the appearance of a cocked hat, ever reminding us of the soldiers who served under General George Washington and the sailors and Marines who served under Captain John Paul Jones, who were followed by their comrades and shipmates in the armed forces of the United States, preserving for us the rights, privileges, and freedoms we enjoy today.
Ladies and gentlemen, please take your seats. We're gathered here today, just as we have gathered before, to remember those who served, those who fought, those still missing, and those who gave their last full measure of devotion for our country. At 11 a.m. on the 11th of November, 1918, the 11th hour of the 11th month, Germany signs an armistice agreement in the railway cart in northern France, formally ending fighting in what is now referred to as World War I. A year later, President Woodrow Wilson proclaimed, "To us in America, the reflections of Armistice Day will be filled with lots of pride in the heroism of those who have died in the country's service, and with gratitude for the victory, both because of the thing from which it has freed us, and because of the opportunity it has given America to show her sympathy with peace and justice in the councils of the nation." Armistice Day was renamed Veterans Day in 1954 and is dedicated to remembering our unsung heroes. We stand united today towards this purpose. While Veterans Day honors those who are serving our nation, we also must remember those who served our great country and fellow citizens but are no longer with us. To our fallen comrades, we pay a humble tribute by honoring our fallen comrades.
Cadet First Lieutenant Schilling, post. Cadet First Sergeant Edmondson, post.
Ladies and gentlemen, please stand for the entrance of our flag and the playing of taps. We'd like to conclude today's assembly by saying thanks to our fantastic performing arts groups, including the Chamber Singers directed by Mrs. Hatch, the Wind Ensemble directed by Mr. Ukert, and the Walla Walla High School Symphony Orchestra directed by Miss Woods. Please join me in a round of applause. As we do every year, we would also like to offer a special salute to the United States Marine Corps, who celebrated their 245th birthday yesterday. Semper Fidelis, Marines. A special thank you to all the veterans who joined us today. Please join me in thanking the veterans. One final request. Today, pause for a moment for those Wall High graduates, friends, neighbors, and loved ones who could not celebrate with us today because they are serving in harm's way. Thank you. Please enjoy the remainder of your holiday.